Is your computer crashing constantly? Frustrated by those sudden freezes, error messages, and reboots? Well, don't panic just yet. We've got a simple, easy-to-follow guide that'll help you fix it in no time. Let's get started. First things first, check for software updates. Software updates are crucial. Outdated programs, drivers, or the operating system can lead to crashes. Head over to your settings, check for updates, and make sure everything is up to date. Once you've installed the latest updates, restart your computer again and check if the crashes are gone. If they persist, let's move to the next solution. Another big culprit? Malware. If your system is infected, it could cause instability and crashes. Run a full virus scan using your antivirus software to eliminate any threats lurking in the background. Once the scan is complete and any threats are removed, restart your computer again and see if things improve. Next, check your drivers. Faulty or outdated drivers can cause crashes, especially for your graphics card or network adapter. Head to your device manager and update any drivers that need it. Once updated, restart your computer and see if your system runs smoother. Step 6. Free up space on your. Running low on space? That could be contributing to the crashes too. If your hard drive is nearly full, try cleaning up temporary files, clearing cache, or uninstalling unnecessary programs. Once you've freed up some space, give your system a reboot. Step 7. Perform a system. If none of the above worked, it might be time for a system restore. Don't worry, this won't erase your files, but it will take your computer back to a point before the crashes started happening. Once the restore is complete, check your system to see if the crashes are gone. Give it a restart and see if that solves your problem. These are some simple yet effective fixes for a crashing computer. If none of these worked, it might be time to consult a professional. But for most issues, these steps should get you back on track. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time, and happy computing.